you don't have to, this is going to sound cheesy, but like you don't have to worry about defining yourself as a label of Jew until suddenly like you're not around people who have grown up in the same sort of environment. My mom calls it a cross-cultural experience within your own culture, kind of. And I realized when I got to JTS, like first of all, my Jewish knowledge was ridiculous compared to some people's. Like I really didn't know much, and that was very humbling. But I also realized that there was a lot that I knew I felt about my Jewish identity that I realized I couldn't articulate until I learned about the history and about the texts, and from a scholarly perspective. And so it's been really instructive for me to get that grounding. I don't know what it means for my identity right now, but I know that I need to go through this for myself to sort of have the cultural background and begin that educational journey, in order to answer those questions later. But yeah, it's been challenging at points, but it's been really rewarding too.